closer to you.
Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be refilling my wallet, cash stuffing my sinking funds, doing my Fridays challenge, and then also doing my financial freedom binder. If you guys hear noise in the background, I'm sorry. They're doing construction across the street, and I don't know why they decided to do this like now when I need to film. Like, hello, can you like stop for a minute? Anyways, let's get into it. All right, so first thing is first, let's go ahead and count this dinero, this money, this moolah, this bread, whatever you call it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 823. All right, we might have to like make some change here because I'm missing fives. But anyways, let's work with whatever I have. All right, so we're gonna start with my wallet. Alrighty, this is my wallet that I love very dearly. All right, so we're gonna start with groceries, and groceries is getting 150. So we're gonna grab 100. Actually, no, I need change. So we're gonna do 20, 40, 60, 81, and then we're gonna do a 50. So that's 150. And I need to update my budget sheet. Oh, let me show you guys my budget sheet. This is the budget sheet. I need to update it, and that will be after the live. Transportation is getting a 10. Spending is getting 4. I want to get a manicure because my nails look homeless right now. So I need to get my nails done. And then Dunkin' is getting a 20. And I did spend the $50 gift card that Chris gave me. I spent it like, when was it, yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday, yeah. So I spent it yesterday. All right, y'all, so that's it for my wallet. Let's get into my sinking funds binder. Oh, yeah, she is gorgeous. Look how oh my God. You guys, we're going to have to do like a condensing video pretty soon. Even though we don't have like so much in here. But like we need bigger bills because this is thick. Like, look, it's like struggling to close. So we're gonna be doing a condensing video maybe next video. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, here I have my table of contents, my categories, how much I put in weekly. So the first envelope we have here is my Fridays challenge, and we are late. Today's Monday, so Friday was the 26th. So let's go ahead and grab my Sharpie. Let's grab my Sharpie pen. And we're gonna do 26. Boom. 26. So we need 20. We're gonna put 31, right? 31. And then we're gonna take 5 out of here. So 26 plus 5, that is 31, right? Because we need change. So that's what we're gonna do. We're putting in 31 to cover the 5 that I pulled out. Yep. Alrighty. Rollover. We didn't add anything to rollover. I didn't have any money left for my wallet, so that's like a 0. Bills, month ahead. So we are adding our usual, which is $32, 20, 10, and 2 singles. 32. All right, let's see, 20. Let's fix this up. 10, and then the singles. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 128. 128. So, and I need to update this. So today is the 29th, 129, 24. We started with 96 and we added 32. So now we got 128. Alrighties. Next, we have emergency. Emergency is getting a 20. So now it has 20, 40, 60, 80. So we started 129, 24. We started with 60. We added 20. And now we got 80. All right, savings is getting a 20. So it has 80. Let's update this. 129, 24. Started with 60. Added 20. And now we have 80. You guys, small amounts add up. Like, don't sleep on it. So, yes. Kiddos has 99, and we should have added that $1 to make it 100. So let's do that now. 33, right? So we're gonna add a 20, a 10, and then a 3, right? So we're gonna put 2 back, and we're gonna grab a 5. So kiddos now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. 132. So let's update this. 129, 24. We started with $99, added 33. And now our ending balance is, what did I say? 122, right? 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. Girl, it's 132. And you just ruined this. Hold on. Let me use my tape corrector. Ooh, okay. Something like that. 132. 132. Bueno, whatever. 132. Future home gets 50. It now has 200. So 129, 24. We started with 150, added 50, and now it has $200. All right, so miscellaneous is getting 8. Let's see, 5, 10, 15. Maybe if we grab a 12 from here, then we can add a 20. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna put this back. Oh my God, these bills are so raggedy, like, ugh. Okay, we put that back. So now we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 1, 29, 24. We started with 26. Added 8. 34. Alrighty. All right, next we have our annual, which is Costco, and Costco is getting $2. 1, 2. So it now has 6, 7, 8. Ay, guacala. 1, 29, 24. We added 2. Started with 6, added 2, and now we have 8. Next, we have birthdays, and birthday has 60 right now. We're adding a 20, so it now has 80. So 1, 29, 24. We started with 60 plus 20, and now has 80. Pets has 60. We're adding a 20. So we started with 60, right? 60. We added 20, and now it has 80. Christmas is also getting a 20. Right now it has 60, so we're adding 20. So 1, 29, 24, started with 60, added 20, now it has $80. Voila. Next we have Adventure. Adventure has 75, and we're adding 25. So 1, 29, 24, started with 75, added 25, and now we have 100. And then last but not least, before we get into our financial freedom, we have our winter wardrobe. So right now it has 60. We added a 20, so that's 80. So 1, 29, 24. We started with 60, added 20, and now we have $80. Voila. Alrighty, so now let's get into our financial freedom. So this is my financial freedom binder. This keychain is from Chris at Budgeting Just Because. So beautiful. So we made 3 payments. I'm waiting for the 3rd payment, this payment, to update, and then I can show you guys. But we made 3 payments. Now we are working on the last one, which is $1,204 for the month of, I believe, January still. Let me see. No, for the month of January, I only owe $31.76. How much do we have in here? Just 10? Okay, 10. And then for January, I'm done. So I'll have to start working towards February. Yep, these are all 0 for January. Okay, I'm done with January. Just that one that I need, this one. I have big bills, so we're going to skip that. We're going to cover, let's see how much money do we have. See which one we can put it towards. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We have 307. This one, I need change. So let's see. No, we're not gonna work on that one. We'll probably add it later on. Let me see. Oh, this one. So we can cover the first one for February, which is 302. We're gonna put the whole thing, whatever. So we're gonna cover that, right? Let me cross that out. So this is paid, boom. And then we're gonna add that in there. And that is that, you guys. So we are working on this was broken into like different amounts for February. So let me see. Let me just double check. So 302, right? And then this one is 1516. Yeah, they were broken into like different amounts. Okay, perfect. So once I cover the whole month of February, then I'll make a payment. But anyways, y'all, that was a little confusing, pero I understand myself, okay? That is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like. Don't forget to give it a like. Y'all, it's free, so please go press like. Subscribe, share with others. I don't know. And that is it, you guys. I love you guys. Adios.
You and I